Hello, this is Kalum Kuroma, and I will be going through my project, what I did, and just some brief explanation of what I really did actually. So, in front of me here is the back end of the code. I did not do much changes to the back end. What I did was installing this course. After I installed it, and I specify it here in the app.js folder. As you can see here, the app.js folder. So I just specify it is still hosted in MongoDB as before, and everything is just like before. And the other changes I did, the other omission, will I put it that way, that I did was I had two collections there before, bidding and product. So in the last assignment, only they were not connected. So I know that I lost mark for that, actually. So I just forgot about the product, so I just go with the biddings. So that is the only changes, and it's still hosted in MLab, as you can see the back end. So I'll be diving to the front end. So in the front end, I will start from the component folder. So in the component folder, you have the about us. There is nothing in there much. This front end was really done just following the donation lab. That is how I accomplished the front end. So most of the code that is here are from the donation lab. So I will go to the biddings. From the biddings, as you can see, it's from the donation lab. The bidding service is imported, and the bidding form, which is a reusable form, which I will still be talking about, is also imported here. As you can see, in this place, the user can place their bids. They can place their bids. When they place their bid, the bid is submitted to the MLab. Is stored in the MLab. It goes straight away to the MLab. That is just it. And the information that is needed is in the form. So here is the form. Here is the form. And this place here that I will still be talking about, because it's one of some changes that I made, is here, like the label class label. So here I will be talking about here in the donation lab. This place was used before for select credit card type, if I can remember. Yeah, select credit card type, but I just use it for select product type. So normally it's at the top of the donation lab, so I just brought it down here, I modify it to suit my need. So, and the bottom here, which I will be talking about, is the restriction, the validation of messages. The validation of messages, the length that is required, the validation of name, location, bid product required, offer required. So here are the validations. So that is just it, that validation for the forms. So, and this one I will talking about is the biddings. So this place allows the user to see all the biddings that was made, and the form is also in the service, the bidding service is imported, because that is where it's calling the data from. So here in the bidding form, in the biddings, the user have the ability to see the biddings, which is the first one here. You see all the biddings. You see here are the columns, edit, and like here, the method, loading the biddings, editing the bidding. The user can edit the bidding, they can delete the bidding, but this can be done, as you can see, through the IDs of the bidding, the ID of the bidding. That is just it. And the contact us, there is nothing much in there. And the edit bidding, Here the edit bidding, also import the bidding service, which is normal to get the datas, and import the bidding form, the reusable form. So nothing much here. As you can see, updating the bidding, here is the method. So as you can see, nothing much here. So the home is just the start page, where navigation takes place, where the user reach the first page that the user enters. So the index from the root, now I'm in the root, as you can see. So the index, there are a lot of import did here, import edit, import contact us, import about us. So there's a lot of import going on here. So all these components are registered here in the index form, like navigation. So as you can see, the part about us. So what I'll mainly be talking about is in this service. So as you can see, the service, this as yours is also imported, is installed and imported here because it's required to connect to the back end. And the back end, the back end of this code, as you can see, is hosted in heroku.com. So that is where the backend is hosted, and that is where this app is connecting to retrieve all the biddings and everything. And here are the fetching of the biddings, posting biddings, just the way it is done through the ID and everything. So and is importing it from this, app. So there is nothing much here. So I will be going to the website actually to demonstrate the add, get, put and the delete functions. So here is the website. So you can see the home page that I discussed earlier on before. This is where the user get to. So this app is hosted in Firebase. So you can see the aura is hosted in Firebase. So to view the biddings, the user click view bidding, and sometimes it takes a little bit of time for this thing to load up because of the cross server, will I call it. So it's going, a lot of connection is being done because it's not hosted locally. So here are the available biddings. First of all, the user can make a search, like I want to search for Andrew Peters, starting with the A, Andrew. So Andrew Peter Waterford. So that is the first one. So let's just take this one away. And you can also search for location. I'm searching for Canada. See, I've not finished it and it's going. And you can also search for this product, HP, and it's just going. So and you can search for offer as well. So the first thing I'll be demonstrating here is editing a bidding. Let me try to edit one of the biddings. So I want to edit this bidding from Bramo. Let me edit it. So as you can see, the data is in the form. As you can see, the data is in the form Bramo. So let me change Bramo to Kalon Koroma. Let me change the country to Waterford Island, Waterford. So let me change the product to Samsung TV. And let me change, okay, the price, let me just leave the price at 200, 2000, yeah, 2000, leave it like that. And here you have to leave a message, but the message actually is not stored anywhere. So without this message, the bidding will not go through. So the message actually is not stored anywhere. So you just leave any message for this bidding to go through. So just say my biddings. So let me update. So as you can see, the update work. So for us to check that it really works, let me go to view biddings, whether we see Kalon Koroma there. As you can see, Kalon Koroman is here, Island, everything is working fine. So let me delete these biddings now. Delete it. See, are you totally sure you want to delete the bidding? If I want to delete it, say I cannot re-undo this action. Say yes. Okay. Okay, just the success message that the bidding is successfully deleted. So let me refresh it again just to be sure. Go back to home, come back to bidding, just wait a little bit, it's gone. It's gone. So the next thing I'll be doing, let me go to place bid. I just want to place bid with this form to place a bid. So here name is required. Let me add my name again, Kalon Koroma. Here location is required. Let me say Dublin. Here product type, let me say Sony washing machine. Yeah, this direct, you have to take it out because it's for the offer. So washing machine, just say 200 euros, and you have to leave the message for the bid to go, for the bid to be placed. So the message, I will leave my new bid. As you can see, bidding, that means it is placed. The bid is placed. To be very sure, we'll go back to view biddings, and as you can see now at the bottom, Kalon, name, location Dublin, product type washing machine, price 200. You see, so I can delete it again, or let me just let me just edit it again. Just to, as you can see, I can edit it. So the data are just on the form when you click on the edit, so it makes it much easy. This is done through the ID, as you can see from the top there. In the code, you see the ID there. So the ID of the bid is retrieved, and through this you can do the edit. So let me change the product to iPhone X and the amount to 800. And the message, change bid. Okay, let me change the name, Carlon Brown. Okay, let's go and view the bid. Carlon Brown, location Dublin, product iPhone X, price 800. So I can also delete it, so it goes on and on. Can delete it. Yes, successfully removed. So that is just it anyway. And as I said before, it is hosted in a Firebase, this web app. Actually, I have two links because I was having some problem with the deploying of this app to Firebase. I deployed before, but I thought it was not there. But while it was there, I was still trying to deploy, so I end up deploying it twice with two different links. So but I placed the link in the note that I submitted along with the web app. So thank you very much. If there's anything that you would like to know also, you let me know. Thank you for the great opportunity to learn how to build web app using Vue.js. Thank you very much.